Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download Terraria on PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's begin. So first of all, you need to download the installer, which is called Steam. So simply search for Steam on any browser that you are using and go for their official website. Once you are there, you have to look for the option download or install Steam. So as you can see, it is on the top right corner. So simply tap on this and then tap on this install Steam. Once you have downloaded the exe file, you will be able to install Steam on your PC. Once you do so, you just have to open it up and then you need to sign up with your account if you don't have any. It is very simple. You can continue with Google as well. Once you do so, you just have to search for Terraria on the search bar, which is on the top right corner. Once you search for it, you have to go for the first one, and then you need to scroll down until you see this add to cart button. So click on that and go for this purchase for myself, which is about $5. And then you have to choose any payment method that you like and have to put all necessary details of your card. Once you do so, then you just have to tap on continue. I don't want to buy it, so that's why I'm skipping this part. After that, once you have purchased your game, this will shows up right in your library. Once you are there, you just need to tap on that area and then you need to tap on the install button. After a few minutes, depending on the internet speed, you will be able to play that Terraria on your PC. And that's how basically you can download Terraria on PC. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.